Alright, here's my second video on my 2010 Ninja 250. Last time I did it with a cold start. This time I warmed it up a bit so you can get a better feel for what the exhaust sounds like. And I also added the racing stripes on the tires since the last one. I got them in I guess a little darker blue to match the gas tank pad. Let me start it up. Alright, that was it. Like I said, this time was a warm start. You get a better feel for what the Two Brothers exhaust sound like. And there it is.